problem natin is the quantity 2x minus y dx plus 4x plus y minus 6 dy. So, base sa steps natin, una is equate the two lines in 0 to find hk, which is the points they intersect. So, equate natin yung 2x minus y equals 0 and 4x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. So, ngayon is combine natin tong dalawa. So, magiging 2x, copy lang natin, is equal to 0. And 4x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. So, ngayon, may negative y and positive y, kaya makakancel sila. So, combine natin, 2x plus 4x is 4 plus 2 is 6x minus 6 is equal to 0. So, lipat natin yung 6 sa right side. So, x is equal to 1. Yan din yung h natin. Yung hk na hinahanap natin sa step 1. So, substitute natin tong 1 sa 2x minus y para makuha natin yung y. So, 2 times 1 minus y is equal to 0. Ipat natin sa right side yung y. And 2 times 1 is 2. So, yan na rin yung k natin. So, next step is substitute the values to the given formula. Yung formula natin is x is equal to x prime plus h, y is equal to y prime plus k. So, x is equal to x prime. So, gilid na lang natin sulat. X is equal to x prime plus 1, which is ito. And y is equal to y prime plus k, which is 2. So, dx is equal to dx prime and dy is equal to dy prime. So, ngayon, is-erase na natin to. Ngayon is solve and simplify to get the homogeneous equation. Substitute lang natin tong mga nakuha natin. So, magiging the quantity 2 times x prime plus 1 minus y is the quantity y prime plus 2. Dx is dx prime plus 4 times the quantity x prime plus 1 plus the quantity y prime plus 2 minus 6 dy prime is equal to 0. So, ngayon is gawin natin, simplify na natin to. So, magiging 2x prime plus 2 minus y prime plus minus na kasi ship itong negative sign. Dx prime plus 4x prime plus 4 plus y prime plus 2 minus 6 dy prime is equal to 0. So, ngayon, combine natin yung mga constant. 2 minus 2 is 0. Kaya makakancel na to. And 4 plus 2 is 6. Minus 6 is 0. So, cancel na rin to. So, ngayon, to cancel din. So, ngayon is, rewrite natin yung equation. 2x prime minus y prime dx prime plus 4x prime plus y prime dy prime is equal to 0. So, yan. May nakuha na natin yung homogeneous equation. So, next naman natin is gamitin natin yung y equals vx or x equals vy. So, ngayon, ang gagamitin natin is either y equals y prime is equal to vx prime or x prime is equal to vy prime. So, yan. Sulat natin. So, pansinin na, piliin natin kung anong gagamitin natin sa dalawa is y prime na lang yung y prime. Kasi mas madali siya dyan. Y prime is equal to vx prime. So, dy prime is equal to v dx prime plus x prime dv. And substitute na natin siya dito. Magiging siyang 2x prime minus vx prime dx prime plus the quantity 4x prime plus vx prime v dx prime plus x prime dv is equal to 0. So, ngayon, ilabas natin yung x prime. Kasi common sila. So, magiging na siyang x prime times the quantity 2 minus v dx prime plus x prime 4 plus v dx plus x prime dv is equal to 0. So, divide natin both sides by x prime. Di ko na isusulat, pero mataka-cancel to. So, ngayon, ang tira na lang is 2 minus v dx prime plus 4 plus v. Distribute na natin dito isa-isa. So, 4 plus v dx prime plus 4 plus v x prime dv is equal to 0. So, ngayon, mag-combine na tayo. Dx prime to and dx prime din to. So, combine natin silang dalawa. Magiging, copy natin. Sorry, wait lang. Magiging 2 minus v, 4v plus 4v plus v squared kasi v times v is v squared. Dx prime. Copy natin yung tira dito, magiging plus 4 plus v x prime dv is equal to 0. Simplify natin, pwede natin tong dalawa makombine kasi parehas sila parehas sila v. So, 4v minus v is 3v. Sulat na natin ganitong format, 3v plus v squared. Dx prime plus 4 plus v x prime dv is equal to 0. So, next step natin is separate the variables and integrate. So, separate natin yan. Erase muna natin to kasi wala ng space. Nalipat natin to. So, yan. Separate natin yung variables. Magiging dx prime all over x prime plus 4 plus v dv, itong dalawa, all over itong term na to. V squared plus 3v plus 2 is equal to 0. So, na-separate na natin siya. So, integrate na natin both sides. So, the x prime over x prime, ln x prime lang naman siya. And ito yung isosolve natin. Dito muna natin siya isolve. So, ang pwede natin gawin dito is partial fraction. So, copy natin as a fraction muna. So, 4 plus v over factors ng v squared plus 3v plus 2. Ano ang dalawang numbers na mag-multiply sa 2 na magiging equal sa 3? So, 2 and 1, diba? Positive 2 and 1. So, yan na yung factor. So, magiging v plus 2 and v plus 1. So, yan. Is equal to a over v plus 2 plus b over v plus 1. So, ano na natin? Multiply na natin both sides by this 1. So, magiging na lang siyang 4 plus v is equal to a times v plus 1 plus b times v plus 2. Distribute natin, magiging 4 plus v is equal to ab plus a plus bv plus 2b. So, ngayon is i-combine natin tong may mga parehas na v. So, a plus b, v is equal to, plus a plus 2b. So, papansin natin dito sa 4 plus v, ang v dito is 1 lang. So, ito, 1 lang siya. So, a plus b is equal to 1. And a plus 2b, yung constant dito is 4. So, 4 siya. 4. So, yan. Combine natin tong dalawa. Manipulate natin para makuha natin yung a and b. So, a plus 2b is equal to 4. So, multiply natin to sa negative sign. Magiging a minus a, 0, makakancel. So, 2b minus b is b. 4 minus 1 is 3. So, yan na yung value ng 3 yung b natin. Palitan na natin siya dito. Next is, get naman natin yung value ng a. Gamitin na lang natin tong equation. So, a plus b equals 1. b is 3. So, 3 plus a is equal to 1. Lipat natin to sa left side. Magiging a is equal to 1 minus 3. So, therefore, a is equal to negative 2. Palitan na natin to. Negative 2. So, yan. Integrate na natin itong dalawa. So, magiging siyang negative 2 ln v plus 2 plus 3 ln v plus 1 is equal to c. Or pwede natin siyang gawing ln c kasi lahat may ln dito. So, magiging ln c. So, erase na lang natin to. So, yan. Ang gawin natin is, palitan natin tong v ng mga values dito. So, from y prime equals vx prime, v is equal to y prime over x prime. So, balitan natin yung mga v. So, ln x prime minus 2 ln v is y prime over x prime plus 2 plus 3 ln y prime over x prime plus 1 is equal to ln c. So, combine na natin to. Ay, hindi. Ito. Gawin mo natin itong 2 ln x raised to 2 na natin to by the properties of logarithm. So, itong 3 marilipat na din dito. So, pwede natin sila makombine. So, ln x prime ito muna yung i-ano natin, combine. So, magiging siyang, ito, simplify natin to as a fraction. So, magiging x prime over y prime plus x prime. Tapos, ito naman, since negative siya, ang magiging simplification nito, magiging reciprocal. So, itong denominator x prime, lagay na natin dito sa taas, over y prime plus 2x prime. Huwag natin kalimutan yung cube dito. So, 3 and square dito. Is equal to ln c. So, ngayon, distribute na natin yung cube at squared. So, magiging na to cube, squared. Ay, cube. Erase natin to. Squared. So, combine natin. So, magiging siyang combine natin itong numerator na x prime. So, magiging itong x cube divided by x cube is magiging 1. So, cancel na itong lahat may mga x prime. So, ito na lang yung tira natin. ln, ito, and ito. So, copy natin. Magiging ln y prime plus x prime cube over y prime plus 2x prime squared is equal to ln c. So, ngayon ang gagawin naman natin is erase na natin to. So, magiging palitan na natin yung x prime at y prime ng values. Or pwede na muna natin simplify. Sige, simplify na muna tuloy natin. So, magiging ln. Yung ln dyan is makakancel na since parehas may ln. So, ang tira na lang is y prime plus x prime. 3 is equal to c times y prime plus 2x prime squared. So, palitan na natin yung y prime at x prime. So, from this one, itong dalawa, x prime is equal to x minus 1 and y prime is equal to y minus 2. So, ngayon, palitan natin, y prime is y minus 2 plus x minus 1 cube is equal to c. Y prime is y minus 2 plus 2 times the quantity x minus 1 squared. So, simplify natin, y plus x, negative 1 minus 1 is negative 3 cube is equal to c. Y minus 2 plus 2x minus 2 squared. So, copy lang natin to x minus 3 cube is equal to c. Negative 2 minus 2 ay negative 2 minus 2, tama ka. So, y plus 2x is negative 4 squared. So, check natin, y plus x minus 3 cube is equal to y plus 2x minus 4 squared. So, yan na yung final answer natin.